Hi everyone, I'm Chris at Keco Body Repair Products UK. Along with the most innovative and comprehensive glue pull repair system in the world, Keco, as the glue pull repair innovators, also develop the training to go with the system. There's over 220 different tool adaptations across that whole system. There's a lot to take on. New cars, new materials, new repair methods, new tooling. You're not going to be able to get one of these systems and dive in and know exactly what everything does. This is why we're here to help you along with that journey. Any premium system will come with an on-site full commissioning. We'll help you get this set up and we'll help you get your team of technicians trained up and understanding the tooling and, more importantly, our 6Cs process. Absolutely crucial to any successful glue pull repair. Following our process, we give you the instructions, we give you the tutorials just to help you along your journey into glue pull repair. Other courses that we have available, we can do 2 days on site, we can do 2 days right here at our training centre in Peterborough. We can offer a 5-day training course for the advanced glue pull repairers, and then we go right up to a 4-week PDR training course, which will be carried out by our PDR IMI accredited trainers. We also offer a 4-week PDR training course carried out by our IMI accredited trainers with over 25 years in the PDR industry. We make the tools, we sell the tools, and we train you on how to use them.